Guys, Crypto with Dinny and it's Dinny here. What is the crack? Quick little video just talking about physical property and digital property. So I'm in a physical property that I own. Well, I don't actually own this, I just have a lease out on this building. But it's a physical property. And it's an asset, I suppose. I've got one of my own businesses here and I also lease it out. I have another business moving into it next week, so I'm just getting the building ready for them. I have a couple of physiotherapists in the building as well. So it's a physical property, it's a physical asset, and but the problem with this physical property and this physical asset is, as you can see, it's Sunday. I'm in the work clothes. I've got a power tool in my hand because I have to do the work in this physical property. I have to maintain this asset. Physical properties need to be painted and they need to be maintained, and you have to do it. If you're the owner of the physical property, either you have to do it or you have to pay someone to do it, which is both fine. So what's going on in this physical property is I'm getting the room ready. Oh, by the way, I've got a Crypto with Dinny office that we're building out there. So I'll be excited about showing you that. We're going to start constructing that, I think, in 2 weeks. So Crypto with Dinny, instead of operating out of my home office, will have a proper, legitimate office space. But so this is my physical property, my physical asset, and I'm here on a Sunday in my dirty clothes, doing a bit of work with the power tools, getting it ready. Okay, the reason why I prefer my digital properties, all right, my digital assets, is because I don't have to do any work on them. I don't have to paint my Bitcoin every 3 years. All right, I don't have to answer the phone at 10 o'clock at night, or I don't need someone to bring me up going, Dinny, such and such is making such a racket there, and they're disrupting us. Oh Jesus, how am I going to deal with this? I don't have to do any of that. It's amazing. All right. Now this asset, this physical asset, is in Swords, North County Dublin. It's sort of stuck here. I wouldn't mind going to El Salvador to do a bit of surfing for a few months, but I won't be able to take this asset with me. And at the moment in Ireland, and in all countries around the world, Paul, what's the crack? Lawrence, what's the crack? The tax code is becoming very unfavourable on people who own physical properties. We're getting taxed more and more and more and more and more, us investors. And that's because people can't afford to buy the physical properties, and by us investing into them, we're buying them up off the market and driving the prices higher. So I can't move this physical property to somewhere where there's a friendlier tax jurisdiction, because she's concreted into the ground, lads. I can't lift it up, alright? But my digital assets, I can move them anywhere I want. If the tax code in Ireland becomes unfavourable for my digital assets, I'll move them to Portugal. It's a very favourable tax code there. There's no capital gains tax in Portugal. What about Dubai? The same. Isle of Man, El Salvador. So you get this freedom with your digital assets that you don't get with physical assets. And the beauty, and guys, hit the like if you like this. Remember your daily exercise, okay? My daily exercise today is doing a bit of manual work. Well, I've got the surfboard in the van and it's blown a stink today, so I'm hoping to go and get some waves after this. I've got the wetsuit there and the board there, and I'm nearly finished here, so I'm going to head down the beach, and that'll be my daily exercise. But your daily exercise, right? This is all you do. You stretch that finger, you go and you hit the like button, you go and you hit the subscribe button, and you become part of a good community of people having the crack. Jer's like a child in a sweet shop, buying all the red. Man, Jer, buy when others are fearful, and be fearful when others are greedy. So, the last thing that's amazing about my digital assets, alright, I don't maintain them. Right now, there are millions, maybe not millions, there are definitely thousands, if not hundreds of thousands of people right now at this very moment in time who are making my digital assets more valuable. They're working on them. I'm working here on my physical asset. I have to give up my time to sort out this physical asset. Okay? But my digital assets right now, there's people all over the world and they're working on making my Bitcoin more valuable, making it have better utility. They're just working on the code, they're working on the software, they're building the infrastructure. And it's happening right now, and I'm doing nothing. That's the amazing thing about digital assets, is that everyone else works and maintains them. You don't have to do it. Unlike the physical property where it's all on you, you got to maintain it, you got to get the dirty clothes on a Sunday, get the power tools out, and start doing whatever you got to do. This is the beauty of the digital assets. Alright, guys, thanks for being here. If you enjoyed the videos, hit the like button. Make sure you put a comment in. Tell me if you've been buying up the dip. Tell me if you're a dollar cost averager. And just get involved, say hello, have to crack the community. And as always, if you like the videos, share them with your community. Dinny out.